it's like nearly the time. 3:30. My babies are home. I just went and collected them.
We went to the skate park.
Yeah, they went to the skate park with Daddy.
What they do?
With their scooters. And they all did a really good job. They're all now going to have showers.
Mama, I'm making a little.
I woke up this morning with no hangover. How? I don't know. You saw what I was like last night. Who cuddled their hat last night?
Me.
Do you love your hat, Ori?
Yeah. Who do you love more? Chippy or your hat? Shit.
So I'm going to give them all baths and showers, wash their hair. And then we're going to go downstairs and have some dinner. Maybe me and the girls will play some games. Maybe play some Puno.
And avoid you know who.
And avoid you know who. Yeah, we'll do that. So I think that's probably going to be it today. I know it's not a lot of exciting stuff, but you had a lovely weekend. You had a lovely Saturday with Daddy, didn't you? And then school tomorrow. Meet. Wah, wah. Yeah, we'll talk to you tomorrow.